Okay, so what I've done here to get to this page as an example of the home page is that when you first log into your site, you're on the dashboard. You can ignore all this. What we're interested in really is the media, which is where all the photos of your website are kept, and pages. So click on pages or all pages. It'll take you through to the same spot. And then we're going to start on the home page here. So you click home or edit, either or. And when you land at this page, you'll then see a whole lot of content blocks. And when you hover over any particular content area, you will see this green bar pop up in which has a white pencil icon. So I want you to go ahead and click on that pencil icon. And in this scenario, you'll see something very similar to a Word document. So you've got your different font sizes, heading sizes, bold, italics, and normal sort of things that you'd expect in a Word document. Things to note: avoid using the color to change anything. If you're going to paste content from another source, we encourage you to click this icon first because it will help strip the formatting and make it cleaner to paste in. And also, if you're going to link from one piece of or page or piece of text to another page, then you wanted to know how to add a link. So to do that, as an example, we would just type in send an email about so we'd say send us an email about building a new home today. So we're going to say send us an email building a new home, or actually we're just going to go email about building a new home. We're going to go up and we're going to click this little icon here, the chain link one. And what will happen then is that you should get this bar pop up. Hit the cog icon and then you get to insert edit link. From here, all you need to do is just click search for, as an example, the contact page. And then there's the contact us. If we then hit the contact us, that then populates it up there. Click the add link and that will then add that as a link. If we were going to link to another website, we would put in the URL
It's 2:30
in here and then we would simply click the open link in a new tab. But we only click that if we're linking to another website. Then we hit, as I said, the add link and that will make a link from here to the contact page. Now, once you've made changes to your content, you want to click the Save Changes, this blue button down here. And once you've done that, what you wanted to do then is to preview the content that you've got. Seem to have had mission here, so we see that. So that's done that there. And then we go preview changes. That'll open up another tab and then we can have a look and see what that looks like. So this is what I've added in. Yes, I'm happy with it. Go back to the previous tab and then click update. If you're not happy with it, then simply go back in and then re-edit it. To swap out any of the photos, what you want to do is go to where a photo is, hit the pencil, and then you'll see here this is the actual image. So if you wanted to remove this one, click the cross in the image, hit the plus, and that will take you through to the media library. Now you wanted to look for the image that you had in there initially, and then you wanted to replace it with an image that is of the same size. So as an example, let's say it was this image, then you're looking for an image. Well, actually that's not a good example in that one, but this, because I think these are all just images that have, these are all just images that have just been put in there as dummies. So I can tell you that that image is probably around 800 pixels to 800 by 500 would be about the correct size for an image to go into that area. With editing the images, you want to change the file name before you add them to the website, and you're wanting to also add in the alt text which goes in here. So as an example, you would new home, you would call, when you save the image, new home builder in Auckland, and then you would put in here alt text, new home builder, or words that relate to what it is that that page is about. Once you've done that, you then click Set Image, and that will then set that image to that, and then of course you then save the changes as before. I would suggest if you've got Paint or Photoshop or some other image editing suite, continue to use that. As an example, you can use BeFunky in the photo editor, which is free. So when you're saving the file name of this image, that's when you're wanting to save the file name as an example, Auckland-builder.jpg or construction-company-auckland.jpg or builders-in-auckland.jpg, etc. So you're changing the file name to be what it is that you're wanting to rank on. If we go back to these particular images, as an example, these have just been uploaded from as placeholders. So as an example, we've got lawn like here. You wouldn't have this number, but you'd have lawnmower or lawn mowing company auckland.jpg, etc. So that's the way you name the file names, and then remembering you just add them just as normal. So here as an example, you would just put Auckland Builder, just like that, and then set as the image. So that gives you the basics of editing text and swapping out photos. Come back to me with what help you want. Happy to help as much as you need. Just reach out and ask if anything's confusing. I've made this reasonably quick, I know that. Just mindful of how long videos take and didn't want to send you to sleep. But this will give you the basics, and just ask any questions that you need.